Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because my first official FABFITFUN box has arrived. I know I recently uploaded and a lot of you were interested to see the starter box, and I posted that like 2 weeks ago, and my first box is already here. Now this is the Members Pick Fall box. So this is the new subscriber version, and then starting in winter I'll be getting the seasonal box, which I'll be able to unbox with all of you guys. But if you want to see what came in the Member Picks box, which FABFITFUN has decided that of the fall box is the most impressive items, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 or 4 or 5 times a week. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me, stay tuned. All right, I'm going to put the box on the floor because it is huge and takes up my entire desk. First out of the box is some like coupon-y buy stuff, as well as the brochure, which kind of gives me a rundown on what FABFITFUN is, since this is technically my first official box. Now, I did kind of leaf through this, and I saw a lot of the stuff in here. This is definitely more of a lifestyle box than a beauty box, but I know FABFITFUN is super customizable, so I will be able to be a little more specific as my future boxes come if I say, ooh, I want more lifestyle or I want more skincare. But because I do so many skincare unboxings and beauty unboxings, I'm definitely excited to put up something that's a little more lifestyle. All right, I'm gonna pull up my app because that will give me all the information on each item so that I don't have to look for it. So if I go into the FABFITFUN app, it will tell me my box and explore. So the first item is the Plush Ultra Soft Fringe Scarf. It is actually really soft. This retails for $75. Now originally I saw this and I was super excited, and then I remembered that I moved to Florida and I will never actually wear a scarf like ever again. But it is really cute, so I'll probably find a way to like style this or wear this in like a video or something because it is really cute. Just because I don't have anywhere to put it, I'm just gonna toss everything as I pull it out onto the bed behind me. Next, this is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. Now, I already do own this. It came in a Boxy, I want to say Boxy Luxe last month. I don't remember which box it came in, but I did already have this. I currently own this product. I don't really use weighted masks like this or eye masks in general. I always scratch myself and take them off in the middle of the night. But Brandon wears them, and he has been loving this one lately. So it's nice to have a backup. This retails for $39.99. Now the monthly boxes, because I do the pay for 4 boxes at a time, comes out to like $40 each. So I have already gotten my money's worth out of this box, and I'm only 2 products in. Next, from Daniel Stone, this is the room spray in the scent Santal. It is a 5-ounce bottle, retails for $36. I actually opened this and misted my entire room before I started filming. What I like most about this is that it is a blend of sandalwood and cardamom, which is such a weird combination, but it works really well. What I will say with this is I came in and I just started misting the heck out of everything in this room, and it was a little overpowering. So I would definitely be a little mindful with how much you're using, because a little goes a very long way. Next, from Winky Lux, is the Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Retails for $16. I have actually used this in the past and I didn't love it. I don't tend to love these universal shades because they're always either a little too light or a little too warm for me. Plus, you guys know I use my Milk Brow Gel. I comb it through my brows. I grab a spoolie like this one from Beauty for Real, and I just kind of comb through my brows, and I'm done. Nice and easy, no effort needed. So I'm going to drop this in an upcoming giveaway because this is something I know I won't use. Next, from Grace and Stella, is the Down for the Peel Dr. Pedicure Foot Peeling Mask. Retails for $20. This is one of those things that I feel really weird about using. I don't love like those soaking peel-off masks. I would rather use like an exfoliator on my feet and like buff them up, use a pumice stone or something like that, rather than use masks like this because it's just not my vibe. So that's another thing that'll probably go in an upcoming giveaway. Next, from Grown Alchemist, this is the Hydra Repair Day Cream Camilla and Geranium Blossom Moisturizer. Retails for $49. Now, I'm going to pop the box open because I will be using this, just not yet. I have mentioned on my channel before that to me, all of these products, the second you crack the seal, they do start to expire. So this will be worked into my rotation when I finish my next moisturizer. But until that happens, I'm not going to be using it. But I have done some research on the brand, and I'm really excited to see how this works. It does feel a little bit more clinical, but that being said, when you're saving money on over-the-top packaging, you can put more into your ingredients. Next, from Skin & Co., this is the Whipped Cleansing Cream. This is the Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, retails for $28. I've used their foaming cleanser, and I liked it. I'm going to be honest, I didn't love it. The scent was a little weird for me, and the texture wasn't great. But the whipping creams are usually a little bit better for my skin type than a foaming cleanser. I don't know why. I'm oily, and it should be the opposite. But this is an Italian brand where they actually put black truffle in like everything. So I am really excited to give this a try. I will be putting this in my shower when I finish my next cleanser. And the last item in the box is the biggest. It retails for $128, and it is the Botkier New York Bond Tote. It is a really cute black tote bag. Now, I'm always looking for little bags like this when I'm going out because occasionally I go out like this and I need a touch-up kit, but more importantly, I always find that I need like 90 things with me, and this is a great way for me to, you know, keep all of my stuff on me at all times. So really excited about this. Like I said, all of the subscription boxes I get for the most part are more on the makeup side and less on the lifestyle. So I'm really excited to get products like this that are super lifestyle focused. Now, all in all, this is a $391.99 variation. So almost $400 worth of stuff for $40, I think is an amazing, amazing deal. Now, I do have a link below if you want to subscribe. It's not an affiliate link. It's just their regular sign-up code. But I do pay for this out of my own money. I am not paid to talk about this. This is 100% non-sponsored. I don't even have an affiliate deal with this brand. I don't even have a partnership with them. I don't think they even know who I am. But I am really excited to start unboxing them for you because I'm really happy with more lifestyle products lately, because I have noticed I'm in the house so much more, and like I do my own press-on nails. So nail is not something I've ever wanted in the past, and I know this box does a lot with nail care. I make my own vanilla extract. I make my own, like, Brandon and I went to culinary school. We are chefs. Like, I do a lot of stuff at home. Super, like, I like to think of myself as a Martha Stewart wannabe. But that being said, having more lifestyle decor things to play with, I think will be a lot of fun, especially because I do get so much makeup and skincare that I do love sharing with you. So I want you guys to let me know down below. Do you guys enjoy the lifestyle products as much as the makeup or the skincare? What do you prefer the most? Obviously, I like to do some unboxings here. I do have some nail tutorials coming up later in the month, so you can stay tuned for that as well. But I do try to bring a little bit of everything, so please sound off down below letting me know what kind of content you guys enjoy the most, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!